Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off ad yours notifications from Instagram. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Next, select the hamburger menu and then open Settings and Privacy. Next, you can find Notifications. Tap on it and then select Live and Reels. Here, scroll until you can find Add Your section and then tap on the button beside Off. And that's it. This is how you can turn off notifications for Add Your Lives on Instagram.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.